y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy and this is Lindiorslife and you're here watching what I got to do today. So today we are going to do this hair. Now it does look seemingly done, but that's because yesterday I had somewhere to go. But I still wanted to make this video, so here we are. This is the U-part wig from WIGGINSHAIR. I will have all the information down below and I'll link in the cards my actually I did a couple of videos on this wig. Last couple of videos on this wig. I did a whole like to do like what it's like, you know, like the initial review. So far it's been months and I still love this wig. It's still very soft. It's like my natural hair, as you can see, because this is obviously it's a U-part wig. My hair is like right here. The wig keeps going, as you can see, and it blends very, very well. I just love this wig, and I finally figured out how to like really straighten my hair well the first time, so we're really kind of doing it. But anyways, today we are recreating hold on. Lord. Today we are recreating DEARRA's look, which isn't necessarily like her look, but basically just doing like a side part with like curly baby hairs and like an actual swoop bang. So that's what we're gonna do today, and just, you know, fully get into her. Also, I'm gonna show y'all like different ways you can like obviously preserve your curls overnight and whatever the case may be. So let's just get into it. The wig's already on my head, as you can see, but if y'all would like to know like so basically this is a middle part wig, but it's a U-part, but it's like a middle part, if that makes any sense. But I just turned it on the side to make it a side part. So basically the wig starts right here. That's my braid, LOL. But the wig starts right here. I put the combs in here. And it obviously goes around, and then it's like right here. So if you would like I said, if you want to see like the full in-depth about the wig, it's gonna be in the cards and in the description box so you can get into it. But today is all about styling. So let's get into it. First things first, right? Seeing that my hair is already flat ironed, I'm trying not to put too much heat in it, and I have this this tool I want to try out, so we're gonna try it today. So yeah, let's get into it. So I have this tool. It's from Conair. I don't honestly, once again, description box below because I don't know, but it's from Conair. I got it from Marshall's and it comes with multiple attachments. I really bought it for this so I can like blow dry my hair, but this is like well, let me show you. You get it? So it blow dries through these holes or whatever. Like it sends hot air through these holes, and then this attachment moves like it moves left to right, and it's supposed to be like a blowout. It's supposed to give you a blowout. So we're gonna try it today and see if it gives that blowout look. And then we're gonna do some pin curls or flexi rods, whatever the case may be. But really what we're shooting for is to get a swoop in the front, and I'll show you how to get that, get the baby hairs popping and get the curls popping. So yeah, let's try this thing out. I'm gonna section his hair off first. Just section it back out from the front. And this is like a fluffy look. If I haven't already, I'm gonna put the picture of DEARRA on the screen. So yeah, it's kind of fluffy, curly, bouncy, you know, all those words. So we're not gonna do super tight curls. We're just gonna make sure that we, you know, catch them or whatever before they fall. So I'm about to put this on. All right, let's get into it, y'all. So obviously, as you know, seeing as the blow dry thing, those are like combs, or like, no, they're like brush. It's like a brush. So there's like buttons on this little machine that you can make the brush spin. So I just like spinned it a couple times on the ends to really get that little swoop effect. And then I let it curl up on itself and sit. And then I just dropped it like that. So okay, that's interesting. It's not really a curl, but we're still gonna twist it up while it's hot to try to keep its shape, right? Because and we're gonna take this long pin, or this yeah, this is a bobby pin, and just put it in place. So let's try the other side, see if we can make this thing work for us. So since this is quite self-explanatory, I decided to come on here and just tell y'all tips and tricks for this machine. So honestly, I think it was like $20-$30. I got it at Marshall's, like I said. And what I will say is, once you turn it on, then you should probably just keep it on while you do your hair, because turning it on and off in between each piece, like, it won't get hot enough. That's why you'll see later, like, as I get to the front of my hair, I don't turn the machine off in between each curl, and it makes it more curly. So just, you know, quick little pro tip about that. And then also, just so you know how to make, like, you know, the hair swoop in your face, the front pieces you have to curl upwards like I'm doing here, and not off to the side. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. Just section it off. I curled it up, and now I'm just holding it. And at this point, because I just sat it down and let it keep going, it's like actually hot and it's doing its job. So yeah. Another pro tip is, when you're doing this in the front, make sure you're pinning it up as well. Don't pin the curl to your head, because you want it to keep the volume. And you can like hit it with some hairspray or something while it's here like this, so you don't have to, you know, that's just me testing the curl real quick, but I had to roll it back up. But yeah, you just sit here until everything's cool. So okay, it's gonna be on 320, and we're using this Keratin Smooth by Tresseme. I think this is what got my natural hair to like actually flat iron this well. So it might be a holy grail. I might be putting y'all on for real. But anyway, we're just gonna, well, I don't know how much I really want, but I'm gonna try to take it out of that thing. So we're just gonna section off this, spray a little bit of heat protectant. Right. And we're just gonna do little swoopy curls. Okay, so the edges have been curled. Now we're just gonna use my edge brush and swoop them. I think that's good enough. You might need to put some of this back and keep some of it, yeah, like that. So the swoop is here. Oh, that's actually cute. Okay. So as you can see, we're getting some type of fluffy edges. Nothing too crazy, but they're cute. And obviously there's like a little bit of edge control still left on this brush because this is my edge brush. But I didn't put any actual edge control. Any extra edge control anyway. So we got a little sideburn. We got a little curly bang. Or curly edge, not curly bang. So we're doing good, honestly. So now let's just, I think they're cool. So we're gonna just take them down and fluff. So as we can see, we got a pretty curl. Clearly this little wrap might be onto something. Okay, okay. We got a little bounce happening. We're gonna take the top ones down later. Got a curl. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna take down this top one. Okay. She's doing what she needs to do. I'm just combing it back and like pushing it forward so it like gives body or whatever. But baby, what? Y'all can't tell me I ain't just styled the F out of my hair, okay? Yeah. And I didn't even add any extra layers in here. Like I did layer this hair a little bit the first time I did it or whatever. So there is layers, don't get me wrong, but I was thinking I had to add some extra layers, but I might not. I might not have to. And the little soft baby hairs, chill. DEARRA might be on something with this style. This is so cute. And just, what? Hold on, I need a comb. Okay, let me get a good old wide tooth. And really push that thing back. Ooh, okay. Really get that bang together. Come on. She's just living, okay? This is, wow. Listen, this hair is kind of hitting my lash and it's annoying my lash. But anyway, this is bomb. Like, are y'all getting into this? Like, look at this. Oh my goodness. So, if I do say so myself, we have gotten the DEARRA look, child. Just, I think hers is like more bang, but this is okay. This is okay for me. Ooh, because I can't even open my eyes. I don't know how she do it. But yeah. Comment and whatever down below and tell me how much I did that, okay? This hair looks so good, okay? Okay, well, I'm gonna stop because if I'm gonna just sit here and just be feeling myself. So I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, like I said, and you know, hit me in the DMs and the comments down below, and let's talk about this hair. Let's talk about other looks you would like me to recreate, or just other looks y'all want me to do, because I'm really in my bag this year and beyond. So just let me know, because baby, she's very cute, very fluffy and giving, like I was shooting for. So yeah, let me know down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later next Wednesday. Bye.